Welcome to Daily English Conversations. In this episode, we are going to help you master real-life English.
Hello, everyone. Today we are focusing on an A2 level conversation. It is perfect for beginners who want to improve their daily communication skills.
That is right. Today, our topic is buying cinema tickets. We will practice asking about showtimes, selecting seats, and buying snacks.
We are using a very exciting movie for this practice. The new superhero movie. Let's listen to the dialogue at the cinema ticket counter.
Hello, welcome to the Cinema City ticket counter. How can I help you today?
Hello. I would like to buy some tickets, please. Could I get 2 tickets for the new superhero movie?
Yes, certainly. We have a few screenings for that movie today. What time would you like to see it?
Well, we want to watch it this afternoon. What showtimes do you have available?
Let me check our schedule. We have showtimes at 2 o'clock, 4:15, and 7:30.
2 o'clock is too early because we need to eat lunch first. What about the 4:15 show? How long is the movie?
The movie is about 2 hours and 30 minutes long. It will finish around 6:45 in the evening.
That is fine. Is the 4:15 screening in standard format or 3D?
The 4:15 screening is in standard format. The 7:31 is in 3D.
Standard digital is fine. Could we do 3 tickets in total, please? 2 adults and 1 child.
No problem. 3 tickets for the 4:15 show.
Which screen is it in?
It is showing in screen 5.
Great, thank you.
Now, let's move on to the next part of our conversation, selecting seats.
Yes, this is very important because you want to get the best view of the screen. Let's listen.
All right, I have selected the 3 tickets. Where would you prefer to sit in the cinema hall?
Well, we do not want to be too close to the screen because it can hurt our eyes. We prefer sitting further back.
I understand. We have seats available in the back rows and in the middle rows.
Where are the middle rows exactly? Are they right in the center?
Yes, the middle rows, rows F and G, are right in the center of the theater. They offer the best view and sound.
That sounds perfect. Are there 3 seats together in row F?
Let me check the seating plan on my computer. Yes, we have seats 6, 7, and 8 in row F. They are right in the middle and next to each other.
That is excellent. We will take those seats, please.
Great. I have reserved seats 6, 7, and 8 in row F for you.
Thank you. Are these standard seats or premium seats?
These are standard seats. We also have premium recliner seats in the back row if you prefer. They cost $5 more per ticket.
Standard seats are fine for us today.
Perfect. Standard seats in row F are very comfortable. Next, let's look at how to buy snacks and drinks at the concession stand.
Buying snacks is a fun part of going to the movies. Let's practice ordering food.
Would you like to add any snacks or drinks to your ticket order?
Yes, please. We would definitely like some popcorn. What sizes do you have?
We have 3 sizes: small, medium, and large.
We will take 1 large popcorn, please.
Would you like butter on your popcorn? We have regular butter and sweet caramel.
Can we get half regular butter and half caramel popcorn?
Yes, we can do a mix of regular and caramel popcorn in the large tub.
That is perfect. What drinks do you have?
We have Pepsi, Pepsi Zero, Mountain Dew, and bottled water.
We would like 2 medium sodas, please. 1 Pepsi and 1 Pepsi Zero.
We have the family combo today. It includes 1 large popcorn, 2 medium drinks, and a box of chocolate candy for $20. It is cheaper than buying them separately.
Oh, that is a great deal. Let's do the family combo instead.
Sure. I will change your order to the combo. Which chocolate candy would you like?
We will take the M&Ms, please.
Perfect. I have added the family combo to your ticket purchase. Now let's practice how to pay for the tickets and snacks.
Pay close attention to the payment phrases used here. They are very common.
All right, your total comes to $45. That is $25 for the 3 tickets and $20 for the family combo.
That is reasonable. How can I pay? Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, We accept all major credit cards, debit cards, and mobile payments. We also accept cash.
I will pay with my credit card, please.
Sure. You can tap your credit card on the payment terminal right here.
Let me tap it. Did it go through?
Yes, it did. The transaction is approved. Here is your receipt.
Perfect. Thank you. Can I collect the popcorn and drinks here or at the snack counter?
You will need to take this receipt to the snack counter. It is located to the right.
Okay, I see the snack counter. I will go there now to get the popcorn.
Make sure to keep the receipt safe. They will ask for it.
Yes, I will. Thank you very much.
In this final section, we will find the screen and review our key vocabulary.
Let's finish the conversation and review what we learned today.
Excuse me, before we go to the snacks, which screen is the movie showing in?
The movie is showing in screen 5.
Great. Which direction is screen 5?
Screen 5 is down the hallway on the left. You will see a large sign above the door.
Is the restroom near there?
Yes, the restrooms are halfway down that hallway on the right.
Perfect. Thank you for all your help today. You have been very kind.
You are very welcome. Enjoy the movie.
Now, let's review the key vocabulary from today's lesson.
Yes, here are some important words and phrases we used.
First, could I get 2 tickets for? This is a polite way to ask for tickets at the counter.
Second, where would you prefer to sit? The agent asks this to help you choose your seats.
Third, which screen is it in? Use this to find the correct theater hall.
And fourth, here is your receipt. The receipt is the paper showing you paid.
Thank you for watching Daily English Conversations. We hope you enjoyed this A2 lesson.
Don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Conversations for more daily practice.
See you next time.
Bye.